Investing Secrets with Kevin Attride, empowering you to succeed financially.
Today I'm here with Holly Reed, who's a dear friend and one of the leaders at Living Wealth. Holly's an expert on the infinite banking concept and on multiple other areas around investing. Holly, I'm interested, how can you be your own bank and why would you want to do so?
The only way I know you can be your own bank is by establishing a dividend-paying whole life insurance policy that you own and you put the money into and you control. That is your bank. You're a shareholder. That is the only way. So you have to get started with a life insurance policy, but it has to be a mutual paying dividend whole life insurance policy. It can't be any other type of policy, or else you are not the owner of that policy and you're not the shareholder. So the other part is you don't just want one bank. You actually, to create your own bank, you do not have to use a commercial bank. In fact, you should not use a commercial bank to make or create your own bank. What you really should be doing is mutual funded life insurance companies with multiple policies, which are actually contracts. They're legally binding contracts of which you are the owner, and you might be the insured, you might be insuring other family members, but what it allows you to do is put your money, deposit it. We've never made too many deposits into our own bank account. So you're going to deposit that into your policy. Your policy number is your bank account. Think of it that way. You're making a premium deposit, that's what it's actually called, into several different bank accounts. And those are several different policies in order to create your own privatized banking system. With that banking system, what do I mean by that? You can loan money to your children for purchasing cars, for paying for education. You can go on vacations. You can pay your credit card. You can pay your taxes using your own individualized privatized banking system, okay? And your regular bank has no control over it. You are a shareholder, you control it, you receive the dividends. And so we actually can help you, but you want to set up your privatized banking, and it's not just one policy, it's actually many policies, because they function in many different ways to be able to be used, whether to loan money, to make investments, to help a business, you name it. You want to be able to use these policies through these mutual companies in order to set up your own privatized banking system.
Holly, thank you. That's very helpful. We appreciate you answering this question.
There are more investing secrets that are quite powerful for you to build your wealth. If you'd like a VIP introduction to any one of our experts, click on the link below. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a single tip from any of our seasoned experts. Okay, watch the next video so you can capture our next secrets to investing. If you're ready, it's time for you to experience financial freedom.
The information contained in this episode are opinions not to be used as individual guidance. As always, consult your own financial team for your investment decisions.